Are you using old version of Microsoft Outlook and you have no clue how to update it? Then yes, this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to update Outlook. Outlook is a secure email app that keeps you connected and protected with your email calendar and files all in one app. This is very easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Make sure you are connected to your internet as well. Now let's begin. Open your Play Store. Here we go. At the top you can see the search bar. Type there Outlook. Now here you can see app has appeared. Here it is showing the option of open, but if it was update, you have to click on that update option so you could update your Microsoft Outlook to the latest version. But as you can see here, it is open. I have already updated it. I hope now you guys are clear about how to update Microsoft Outlook app.